Hi fam, welcome back to another vlog with Rochielin. Today I am back in the countryside and I'm actually back in Big Woods. I came here a few months ago and I showcased, what was going on around here. I showed you a little bit of a house tour of this house in the back. I showed you the pit latrine and all of that, and we spoke to Milford. And we are back! Look who we have here.
You were.
We are back. It's starting to rain though, so I'm gonna see what kind of content we can get. But before we continue, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at Rochielin on Instagram and Twitter, and then just keep on watching. So let's go. Back. I know a lot of people requested him and a lot of people were asking about him and a lot of people wanted some updates on what's been going on with you since the last time we did a video. What's been happening, how you been coping with COVID?
COVID, to where reach now, as they say, you don't know who have it from who have it. So I'm doing my best.
Yeah.
Whenever time I have to go on the street, I put on my mask and social distance, and we don't wear the shake and this.
Yeah, you just elbow. And how the crops, how the farming going on?
Lose a lot in a couple of weeks ago. When you would have lose cabbage, sweet pepper.
Oh yeah? How about the animals then? How the chicken and the...
No
chicken?
No chicken. But the pigs are there and the cows are still.
The cows and the pigs are there. So if you want cow and pig to buy, link him up. Yeah, he got a lot of feedback from the last video, with the pigs and the cows, positive and negative.
Yeah, but because people, they come out of me and they ask me, you don't be Mr. Clark and blah blah. I say, yes, and the matter about my pigs. I feel raise my pigs.
Yeah.
So even one of my church brothers come here and say, my brother, that me I talk, I say, my brother, I don't really open the pen and drive them out the road, no, me not do that. Me I feed them, I feed them.
Yeah.
And when me want $1, the other day when me I sell the pig, them, sometimes me they ripe on the inch of broke. I say, me I want to go money, I put out me down for going there. Somebody come in and buy a pig. Me able to buy food again, both for them and for myself.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what happened is, to add some context, he is an Adventist, right? And Adventist is one of the denominations in Christianity, and these set of people, they don't eat pork or red meat, or just pork?
My sister.
Just pork or all red meat?
Me no read. Maybe majority of them no I eat pork.
Okay, so they don't eat
well,
pork.
hear me now.
So from the last video I showed you guys where he raises pigs for sale, and he got a lot of backlash with, because they don't eat pork, and then he's raising pigs, and the whole thing. So he got a lot of calls from other Adventists.
But what you have to say, me did have my pig before me became Adventist.
Yeah.
Before me baptized in Adventist, me did. And since me baptized in Adventist, me started raise pig. Me do raising them ever since from me born. Always have to have one around. Because what I'm saying, me say me is a farmer. And I know everything Higla come by her after Higla left me, I use sorry. So me still me have to go. Then me have them for eat it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I want some other rain.
How the cow?
I'm alright. See them over this.
Okay, so but people come buy cows too?
One, me have to sell the darkish color mother. The other, about 3 months about them.
The cows?
Yes, me did expect, me did know she due for have calf. And when me go down there, me see her bottom red, and me go over there, and me say more than less she have calf. But when me go over there and look around, me find out she never have calf. Her womb come down before she have a calf.
Oh no.
And me get one vet brother push up her back and give her a vaccine. And then no couple, about 2 days after.
Wait, you push up back the womb?
Yeah man, one day, about 2 days after, she still no have a calf. So we call her next vet brother. And that the man there, yeah, me man. Me respect him man and rate him my first round. Me see him man show up in hand in the coat to his shoulder or so. And me say when me look, if a man did tell me say something like that could happen. You see when the man show up in hand in the coat, he can go right down and kneel down. And all he called upon. Just open him out and I catch breath, you know. And when me look, me see brother come out with the calf, 20 foot, the two of them eye back or so. And he said me forget piece of rope and he tie 2 foot.
And pull out the calf?
Eh?
And pull out the calf?
Yeah, I'm burning calf.
Okay.
See, I don't know a little boat in the overcommand right now. You know sitting can't feed. Man, me say hear me that the brother him. You know, a 15 grand the man charge me.
Yeah.
15 grand like since you come here, he do that. And when the man say 15 grand and he said me not to tell nobody say 15 grand because at 20 and 25 they charge to do it. Me look on him and me say my youth, me not have nothing to say. Because me see work over here. Yeah. And right
So
now,
you say
right.
worth it, deserve it.
Eh?
Yeah.
Then you know save him mother and calf. Because me sell him mother because him of himself tell me say me not to breed it back. If I see him thing I go happen again. And me call the coach up man and tell him me say if you sell it to anybody, if I no butcher you don't buy. Because they go and have this me nah and me say when no good for me, you no good for the next person. So me sell you and have it calf over there. The way me come out I do no man. Yeah.
Well, me carry something for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you certain?
Last time we talked, you tell me say you want power man.
Yeah, man, I didn't drink respect and down.
Yeah. You're welcome. And I also bring this top for you. Bring the shirt for you. This is the name of my brand, Rochielin.
Okay.
Yes, I hope it can fit you though.
It will have to. It will have to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Looking good.
And I blue like the one I have on.
Yes.
And everybody, if you don't want cow, pig, or crops from the farm, link him up. Him have them for sale. I know he got some good traction from the last video. I want to do it again. Christmas I come and him have a lot of them down there now and can sell. So link him up. You guys found him the last time, so I don't know where to find him again. You know, it's starting to rain now, so we'll soon come back. The rain drizzling, and you see, I showed you last time that this is how they catch water a lot of the time. So they leave these drums on the outside so that rain can fall into it. And remember the famous pit latrine from last time. Hey, you guys laugh me to scorn enough for the question that I asked about the pit latrine if it can flush. Listen, remember, I am young. I have never used a pit latrine before, so I have to ask these questions. And I'm always a person, if I don't know, I'm gonna ask, I'm not gonna assume. So, and we got the answer. And I know a lot of persons benefited from the answer too, because I know a lot of persons did not know. I talked to some of my young friends, and they don't know what a pit latrine is, because we don't have a lot of these in Kingston. And we don't have a lot of these. No, that's 2020. But it's always interesting to see where we're coming from and to really understand what our parents and grandparents went through, and you know, it's interesting. It's interesting. So I'm just outside again in the backyard, and I told you before, the kitchen is different from the bathroom, which is also different from the house. Yo, Milford, really good man, really good, strong man. A farmer, doing thing, and you know, from the as I said before, the last video, he got some good and bad comments and people call, but what I'm very happy about is that he was able to make some sale from those pigs, because some people are, oh, you're Adventist and you raise pig, but they still came to buy. So thank you guys for watching my video. I didn't know the video was gonna do that well, and I'm very happy and appreciative that it did. So I had to come back, and I have to come back and I have to big him up and bless him up and all these things. And we're in a fall now. I don't know what else the day holds. You'll notice the quality difference. This is my iPhone, but it happens. Yeah, so come. So what are these are from your farm?
Yeah, man.
Okay, yes. Cabbage and sweet pepper. That's nice. And I have no tomatoes.
No.
Tomatoes scarce. So I'm going to the supermarket at $500 for one 2 little tomato. Thank you. All breadfruit too. Okay, thank you. Do you think this cow will come and butt me? Look where I'm looking at us. Oh my gosh, you know, I'm gonna move from I can't take a buck. These are ready?
Huh?
Them are ready?
If?
Them ripe?
If they're ready?
Yeah. Or you know when cane ripe?
Just look at it, Mrs. Carney. No portion to start, you know.
Sugarcane seasonal, or is somewhere just ripe whenever?
Yeah, call it that. Ripe whenever.
Oh, okay.
But like the estate, them know something I think they are.
The what?
The estate, them where them make sure.
Oh, the sugar estate?
I think they're supposed to reap, you know.
Oh. Oh, wait, so it's when them have this brownish color, them ripe?
No, just this color, this skin has. So no matter right, why it's still like.
So how you know say it ripe then?
You know, just look at the size of it.
Oh, when it's fat, it ripe. What is this?
Sinkabite.
This one is aloe vera. And this one is tuna.
One aloe vera.
This is aloe vera, and this one over here is tuna.
This one you drink too, but you take you wash your hair.
Yeah, why am I put both of them in here? Look how the sun just come right back out, and it was raining a while ago. So finally, this is an unusual banana because it's a big bunch with 11 hands, and usually it's less than this. Yeah, so usually banana have 6 or 7 hands. This one have 11, which is good. So he'll have a lot of banana. It's not yet ripe or fit or ready to be picked, so I'll have to leave this one on the tree. So this is what the countryside is looking like. Peaceful and calm. How the roof? Your roof leak?
No, not really.
No? You have electricity here?
No. I would love to have, but I don't have it. This year I don't run on.
So wait, what you use for
Personal.
Personal?
Uh-huh.
God no?
God sign it.
No, I thought that JPS no light. Actually, you know, I see no light pole. So you don't have light. So it would probably be good to get like some solar panels because JPS don't come in the area. You
They
see,
come in here a couple of years ago. And then drive go up the road and come back and stop right. My house is the first one, but how much government change since that time in here?
I know lights.
And I would love to because if I did have current, I would have one like a TV, I would have one like a fridge around me.
Oh, I never know say you don't have electricity.
No, man, me don't have.
So you probably need, I think maybe the best option then is to get some solar panels.
Yes.
To power the house.
Yes.
So wait, don't you have a radio?
Yes, you battery.
Battery. Oh my God, this is like real old school. I mean, wow, I didn't realize that. You know, the other day, I did a video with my grandma, right? And she was talking about when she was living in the countryside, how they used to catch peanut wally and put in lamp,
in bottle.
in bottle,
yes, yes.
and that's how they used to light the place. You still do that?
No, I don't.
You don't do that. You just use a personal lamp.
Yes.
Can I see what a personal lamp looks like? Let me see it.
You can go inside there.
Oh, so wait, so it's just this one lamp?
Yeah.
So if you're in here, so?
No, I didn't. Probably go on my bed when I come. You know, we just want to see the light inside out here. So. But we don't really have it inside of my bedroom.
Oh, so then as night come at 6 o'clock, you go to bed?
Sometimes even before 6.
At 6 o'clock come is bedtime. Before 6? You go to bed before 6?
Sometimes we go to bed before. Sometimes we go down to bed. We lie down, listen to 6 o'clock news.
Yeah.
After me, I have nowhere to go.
What time you wake up in the mornings?
By 5:15, 5:30, 5:15.
No, man, I them healthy life I need. But I don't know why I thought there was electricity. Wow.
No, sir.
So that means your stove is, oh, it's gas stove.
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. Alright. I'm going to check out the solar panel thing. It's time for me to leave and I don't want to go. I'm running around like a kid. And I'm just happy that you guys are here running around with me. I just want to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. But this is where I'm going to end today's vlog. Remember to like the video, which is found, the button is just below this video. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to share the video with your friends and your family. And remember to subscribe. Anyways, guys, love you always. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.